One of the biggest stands here at Arab Health 2020 is Philips, and they have got some impressive innovations on display here for 2020. Sarah, tell me about the Control Command Centre here and what it does.
Sure, so what we're doing here is Philips is showing the importance of having command centres in the region. But it's not just a command centre from an operational perspective, it's a command centre also from a clinical perspective. So at the top row, we're showing tools and solutions where you can network whole countries or network whole hospital enterprises. So for example, here you'll see what we call Vital Health, which is a population health management tool where a government can have a really good overview of the health of its population, which helps them make strategic decisions. But it also then has patient engagement tools so that a GP can look at his population of patients, reach out to them, encourage them to lose weight and live a healthier lifestyle. In the middle, we're showcasing what we have connected 8 cardiac centres in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So as you may know, specialist care is very limited. And so what we've done is we've connected the 8 cardiac centres. You have a specialist cardiologist sitting in Riyadh. He's able to pull up all of the patient data for all of the cardiac patients in the 8 centres around the kingdom. And he's therefore able to make treatment decisions. He's able to aid the referring clinicians. And it means that the patient doesn't have to travel to Riyadh. He's able to stay where he is but still get that expert help. What we also have is the EICU at the top there. Very similar approach where we're using specialist intensive care teams to sit in a central location looking after up to 150 patients each. We've shown that you can reduce mortality rates by up to 23% by taking this approach. Uses AI, uses a lot of analytics, so again that you're using that clinical expertise and ensuring that the access to care is further extended.
So it's really taking connectivity to the next level. Thanks so much, Sarah. Let's see what else we've got on offer here at the Philips stand. Now, Ramprasad, I hear we've got a very unique innovation that you've created here. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, sure. You know, pathology has been suffering for the last 150 years with the analog way of working. With the cancer getting more and more prevalent, there are more and more diagnostic and treatment plans available. Digital pathology solution gives a unique solution. So you can see very clearly the brown cells are the cancer cells and the blue cells are the normal ones. And it's so easy now that quantification that they do it is a click of a button that it's possible, where they spend 30 to 40 minutes counting manually. It's a huge transformation in pathology. And we are doing a great job in oncology. And we have the oncology products, and its pathologies are the only one who can say a cancer is a cancer. Thank you.
And that's a very digital solution there for many problems in the healthcare industry. So off we go to some image-guided therapy here at Philips. So we're here in the image-guided therapy at Philips. Manoj, can you tell us a little bit about this product that you have here at Dubai?
Absolutely. I mean, I am very pleased to share here with you. The system that you see here is the Azurion FlexArm system. We introduced Azurion family about 2.5 years back, and we had been very successful with this Azurion system. We have more than 2,000 Azurion systems all around the world. This is the new addition in the Azurion family. It's called the Azurion FlexArm. As you can see, it has a state-of-the-art new design of the stand or the gantry. It allows us to perform all kind of procedures in the same room. Not only that, that you can do minimally invasive procedures, it can also do hybrid procedures, and it is very compact. It can be installed in a very compact setup in small rooms, and you can do all kind of minimally invasive and invasive procedures. As you can see behind me, as the procedures are becoming more complex, we need to get information from various other modalities. It could be CT, it could be MR scanner, it could be from PACS. So we can integrate and bring information and images from all these different modalities and take full control of all this information and data within the examination room.
Wow, that's absolutely so clever. Thank you so much for explaining that. We are now off over to the sleep care unit. So here at the sleep and respiratory care, I hear you've got quite an exciting innovation over here.
Yes, we've got night balance in sleep solutions. Night balance is specifically for positional sleep apnea, people who snore but are not required to take the usual therapy, which is the CPAP. Also in respiratory care, we have our new Trilogy Evo, which is a new ventilator and has a unique feature of being used for starting 2.5 kg, so for neonatal. So these are our newest products being launched in the Middle East.
Thanks very much, Silva. Now over to learn a bit more about population health here at the Philips stand with Ayad. Ayad, what have we got here? Because it looks incredibly complex.
Actually, it's not really complex, but what we are displaying here is our command center, like a mock command center, that will help better managing the critically ill patient via a command center remotely, to complement the bedside care that's provided to the patients by the bedside staff, in order to make sure that the standard of care that is provided is matching to the expected standard of care that we want to provide to our patients across the healthcare.
So it means that anywhere in the world, people can collaborate in bringing the very best of healthcare, is that right?
Yes, that's completely true. What we are trying here to present, first of all, I would like to say proudly that our eICU solution from Philips was ranked as one of the top 10 innovations displayed this year in Arab Health. And one of the main things that, or the main objectives behind the eICU solution is to benchmark our performance against the global standards, accepted standards, whether it's inside the country or outside the country.
Brilliant. Well, congratulations on that award. And that's what's going on here at the Philips stand. So do make sure that you check it out next time.